we will see our page number 141. What is given on that page? Measurement of weight. So, how we can measure a thing? For example, in our house there are so many things. Our television, that is very much heavier thing. Okay, so what, for example, if we go to market to purchase apples or to purchase bananas, so what that that vegetable or that fruit seller do? He will measure. Suppose we want to purchase 1 kg, 1 kilogram apple. So what he will do? He will put that 1 kg, that measurement of 1 kg, 1 kilogram, and then he will put in that another box apples. How many apples are there that will measure 1 kilogram? Only that much apples he will give to us. Okay. So what is the unit of kilogram? See, 1 kilogram equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. And kilogram, every time we will not write the complete spelling of kilogram. We will write the short form of that kilogram, that is kg, small kg. Small kg means what? Kilogram. And 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So small g means what? Gram. So every time it is not possible to write the complete spelling, so we will write short form of gram. Short form of gram is g. Okay, so you have to remember that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so in your textbook, see, so many measurements are given here. You can see that a bigger measurement that is made up of that iron, that is of 10 kg. 10 kg means what? 10 kilogram. If we want to purchase 10 kilogram of wheat, then they will keep such type of 10 kilogram weight in that one box, and another in that another box they will keep that wheat. Okay, then next one is 5 kilogram. See, 5 kilogram weight is there, then 2 kilogram weight is there, then 1 kilogram weight, then 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram. So it depends upon us how much quantity we want to purchase from that shop. Okay, so every time you have to remember that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so kilograms and grams. So you remember that kilogram. Kilogram you know very well. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so what you have to remember? 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So depending upon, and in that olden days this measurement was known as pounds and ounces. Okay, but nowadays we are using only kilograms and grams. So you remember about this kilogram and gram. So depending upon this weight, we have to solve exercise number 8.4. See your page number 142. Okay, so what is given? What is the first question? See, weight. You might have seen that is the very common useful thing to measure any kind of thing. For example, fruits, for example, our wheat, for example, we want to purchase rice, dal from that shop. So they will measure by this instrument. Okay, So what is given here in this first example? Weight of radishes is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. Now see here, radishes are kept in that one bowl. We can say that it is a bowl. This is first bowl and this is second bowl. So in this first bowl, what is kept? That radishes are kept here, and what measurement of weight is there? There is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. So that weight of that radishes is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. Now see B question. What is given here? You can see very well. Weight of onion is. See, in that first bowl, what is kept? Onions are kept. And that second bowl, what is kept? 2 kg and 200 gram. So you can write here answer 2 kilogram and 200 gram. That is the weight of that onion. Okay. Now see question. What is this? Lady's fingers. Lady's fingers, everybody likes that very much. Weight of lady's fingers is how much? See, 1 kilogram and 500 gram weight are kept in that second bowl. So the weight of that lady's finger is 1 kilogram and 500 gram. So you have to write here 1 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay. Now see D question. Weight of cucumber. Cucumber means क्या? ककड़ी. ककड़ी खाते हैं ना सब लोग सलाद में. So weight of cucumber. Weight of cucumber, in first bowl cucumbers are kept, and in second bowl that weight is kept, that is 2 kilogram and 500 gram. So we have to write here 2 kilogram and 500 gram. So in this way you have to complete all these answers in your textbook. Complete the table given below. So what is given in this table? Weights are given. Different weights are given. So we have to add these weights and then write down here kilogram and gram, and then we have to convert it into grams. Okay. So first is already solved. See here what is given. 500 gram plus 200 gram plus how much? That 200 grams. 500 plus 500, 1000. 1000 plus 200 plus how much? 150. So 350. 1 kilogram, 350 grams. So 1 kilogram means how much? I told you 1000 gram and 350 gram. So 1000 plus 350 equal to 1350 gram. So we will see now what is given here. See here 1 kilogram, that is given first. See in your textbook B question. 1 kilogram is there, and how much? 500 gram, then 200 gram, 100 gram and 100 gram. So 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 100, 700. So 1 kilogram, 700 gram. So we have to write here in this box 1 kilogram, 700 gram. Okay, so we have to convert it into grams now. So see here 1 kilogram means how much? 1000 grams and 700 gram. So what we have to do? 700 gram. We have to add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 0, 7. This one as it is. So what is our answer? 1700 grams. So that we have to write here. Okay. Now see C question. 2 kg. 2 kg is already given. Now what is given here? 200 gram plus 200 gram plus 100 gram. 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 100, 500. That means 2 kilogram, 500 gram. So 2 kilogram, 500 gram. So what is 2 kilogram? 2 kilogram means how much? 2000. 2000 gram and 500 gram. So that we have to add here. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, these two as it is. So what is the answer? 2500 gram. Okay, now see D question. 1 kilogram plus, now see what is given, 500 gram plus 200 gram. So 1 kilogram, 700 gram. So write down 1 kilogram, 700 gram. So 1 kilogram means how much? You can see here 1000. See, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram plus 700. See, here also that is the same thing. So what is the answer? 1700 gram. Okay, now see E question. What is given here? Very small numbers are there. See, 1 kilogram plus 500 gram plus 200 gram plus 100 gram plus 100 gram. Means, see, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Means 900 gram. 500 gram plus 200 gram plus 100 gram plus 100 gram. That is equal to 900 gram. So we have to write here 1 kg 900 gram. Okay, so 1 kg means how much? You know very well, 1000 gram, and see 900 gram. So 900 gram. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 9. This one as it is. 1900 grams. That is our answer. Now see B question, sorry, F question. See what is given here, 2 kg and 1 kg. 2 kg plus 1 kg how much? 3 kg. 3 kg plus what is given, 200 gram plus 100 gram plus 50 gram. So 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 50, 350. 3 kg, 350 gram. That we have to write. So write down here 3 kg, 350 gram. Okay, so see, 3 kg means how much? If 1 kg equal to 1000, then 3 kg equal to 3000. So 3000 plus how much? 3000 gram plus 350 grams. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 0, 3, this 3 as it is. So what is our answer? 3350 grams. So in this way, you write down all the answers correctly in your textbook. 43. Third question. To measure 1 kg, how many standard weighing units are missing in the following and draw them? So in your textbook, these measurements are given, measuring units are given. So we have to find out the missing units here. Okay, so what we have to do? See here, a question is what? 500 gram plus 200 gram plus 100 gram plus empty space equal to 1 kg. So 1 kg means how many grams? 1000 gram. So see, 500 gram plus 200 gram, 5 plus 500 plus 200, 700. 700 plus 100, 800. So 800 plus how much equal to 1000? 800 plus 200 equal to 1000. So we have to write here 200 grams. Okay. Now see B question. 200 gram plus 200 gram plus 100 gram plus empty space equal to 1 kg. So 200 gram plus 200 gram 400 gram. 400 gram plus 100 gram 500 gram. So 500 plus how much equal to 1000? 500 plus 500 equal to 1000. So you write down here 500 grams. Okay. Now see C question. 200 gram plus 100 gram plus empty space equal to 1 kg. Okay. So 200 gram plus 100 gram equal to how much? 300 gram. So 300, how much we have to add here? So we will get 1000 gram. So we have to add here 400 gram. Now see 200 plus 100, 300 plus 400, 700 plus 300, 1000. So we have to write here 300 grams. So it will become 1000 gram, means 1 kilogram. Okay. Now see fourth question. Fourth question in your textbook. See, so many pictures are given here. So we have to just tick on that correct answer. So tick the unit you see to weight the following. Okay. Now see, this is a table fan. A is what? A table fan. So table fan, that is very much heavy. Okay, we cannot pick with our one hand. We have to use our both the hands. That means that is heavier. So that is measured in kilogram. So you have to tick mark on this kilogram. Okay, so you can tick mark on kilogram in your textbook. Now B is what? Mobile. A small mobile, that is a button mobile, that is not an Android phone. That is very small mobile. So that is kilogram or gram. Mobile we can carry with our, means that is very lightweight mobile. So what is the correct option here? Kilogram or gram? Gram. That is not a kilogram. We cannot use that 1 kilogram mobile every day. Okay, so weight of mobile is, we can say that is in gram. So tick mark on this gram. Okay, mobile is measured in grams. Now see C question. C is what? A big car. That is a real car. So that real car we have to measure in kilograms, not in grams. So what is the correct option here? Kilogram. So tick mark on kilogram. Okay. Now see D. What is given here? That is a sack of wheat. गेहूं की गोनी है ये. तो गेहूं की गोनी हम कैसे काउंट करते हैं? किलोग्राम में काउंट करते हैं, है ना? तो किलोग्राम. So what is the correct option here? Kilogram. So tick mark on this kilogram option. Okay. Then E is what? A cotton shirt. A one single cotton shirt. So that is not of 1 kg. That is the weight of that shirt is not 1 kilogram. That is measured in grams. So correct option is gram. So tick mark on this gram. Okay. Now see what is the F question. Here one man is there. So human being, that male, female, that we measure in terms of kilograms, not in grams. So what is the correct option here? That a person we have to measure, or ourselves also we use to measure our weight, that is kilogram. So we have to tick mark on this kilogram. Kilogram option is the correct option. So in this way you complete this page number 143 in your textbook. your page number 143, measurement of capacity. So measurement of capacity, that we can measure a liquid things, that may be water, that may be petrol, that may be diesel, that may be kerosene, that may be our milk. What are the liquid things? Or our cough syrups, that liquid medicine we take every time when we get cough, cold, whatever things are there. So these liquid things, for measuring these liquid things, what we use that unit that is called as 1 liter. Liter. 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter अगर हमने जमा किए तो that will be equal to 1 liter. Okay, so every time we are not writing this complete spelling of liter and complete spelling of milliliter. So the short form of liter is L and short form of milliliter is ml. So 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. ml means what? Short form of milliliter, and L means what? Short form of liter. Okay, so the capacities means measurement of capacity, that liquid that can contain. So for example, our that water container, that can be measured in terms of liters. अगर किसी के घर में कोई फंक्शन होगा तो हम लोग ऐसे जार लेके आते हैं ना, तो जार की कैपेसिटी कितनी होती है, वो हम बोलते हैं 5 लीटर की जार है या फिर 10 लीटर्स की जार है, जो दूसरे गांव से मंगवाते हैं, जो डिस्टिल हुआ ये बिस्लरी का वाटर रहता है वो अच्छी क्वालिटी का रहता है. सो दैट इज मेजर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लीटर. ओके, सो see your page number 144. So different pictures are given here. See, this is a bucket जिसमें हम लोग नहाते हैं रोज के रोज, है ना. वो जो बकेट में हम लोग नहाते हैं, the capacity of that bucket is 10 लीटर. तो ये जो बकेट है इसमें हम कितना पानी भर सकते हैं? कम से कम 10 लीटर्स तक इसमें पानी भर सकते हैं. देन दूसरा पिक्चर है, देखो कोका कोला की बॉटल है. देखो अब ये कोका कोला की बॉटल जो रहती है, कभी कभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं 1 लीटर्स की भी लेते हैं. और यहाँ पर भी दिख रहा है कि कभी कभी हम लोग अगर ज़्यादा कोई मेहमान वगैरह आते हैं हमारे घर में, तो ये बॉटल 2 लीटर्स की भी हम लोग लेकर आते हैं. तो ये बॉटल की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? फिर 2 लीटर्स कोका कोला इसमें बैठ सकता है. अभी ये देखो, अभी तो ठंडी का मौसम शुरू हुआ है, हम लोग हमेशा मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करते हैं, है ना. जो ठंडी की जो क्रीम होती है, मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम होती है, तो उस पे भी नेट वेट लिखा हुआ रहता है, दैट इज 100 मिलीलीटर. मतलब ये बॉटल में कितना क्रीम है जो हम लोग हमारे फेस को लगाते हैं, वो है 100 मिलीलीटर. अभी देखो ये फोर्थ पिक्चर, दैट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ दैट मेडिसिन, लिक्विड सिरप बोलते हैं हम लोग उसको. तो वो है 200 ml. मतलब ये बॉटल की कैपेसिटी कितनी है मेडिसिन के? 200 मिलीलीटर, है ना. डॉक्टर क्या बोलते हैं कि कितनी दवाई लेनी चाहिए? सपोज वो बोलते हैं कि दिन में 3 बार ये कफ सिरप लेना है, तो कितना कितना लेने को बोलते हैं हमको? सपोज सुबह में 5 ml, दोपहर में 5 ml और शाम में 5 ml. सो ऐसा करके टोटल हमारी बॉडी में फिर कितना मिलीलीटर ये कफ सिरप जाता है? टोटल 15. 5 + 5 10, 10 + 5 15 मिलीलीटर हम लोग रोज ये 3 दिन तक पीते हैं. 3 दिन अभी डिपेंड, छोटे बच्चों को कितने दिन बोला है वो डिपेंड करता है डॉक्टर के ऊपर. ओके, सो every time you have to remember that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So you have to remember this thing like our tables. Okay, now see that our milk, हमारे दूध वाले भैया होते हैं, देखो उनके पास ये ऐसे जार्स होते हैं कभी कभी. अभी ये देखो ये कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसे ग्रोसरी शॉप में भी जाते हैं जहाँ पे ऑयल, खाने का जो ऑयल रहता है वो भी ऐसे, अगर किसी किसी को कम ऑयल चाहिए तो वो जो दुकानदार रहता है वो उनके पास मेजर करने के लिए ऐसे मेजरिंग कप्स होते हैं। देखो यहाँ पे कितना दिया है, 1 लीटर। 1 लीटर यहाँ पे ये जो कप है जिससे क्या करते हैं फिर 1 लीटर, अगर हमको कोकोनट ये सॉरी ये हमको ग्राउंडनट ऑयल अगर हमको चाहिए तो फिर ये 1 लीटर भर के हमारे डब्बे में वो भर देंगे। फिर कितना है 500 ml। 500 ml हमको अगर चाहिए तो उतना ही तेल हमको मिलेगा। देन 200 ml में यहाँ पे अगर हमको 200 ml ही चाहिए उतना भी मिलेगा। फिर यहाँ पे है 100 ml, फिर 50 ml, है ना। अभी देखो पेट्रोल भी, हम लोग जब पेट्रोल भरवाने के लिए जाते हैं गाड़ी में तो हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं कि हमारी गाड़ी में 2 लीटर पेट्रोल डालो, तो वहाँ पे ऐसा मेजरिंग, वहाँ पे हमको नंबर दिखता है तो मशीन बिठाया जाता है तो बराबर 200 रुपीज़ के कितना लीटर होगा वो हमको वहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग देख सकते हैं स्टैंडर्ड कंटेनर्स टू मेजर मिल्क। हमारे दूध वाले भैया जो रहते हैं रोज़ हमारे घर में दूध बांटने के लिए आते हैं तो उनके पास भी देखो 1000, 1 लीटर, 1 लीटर अगर हमको दूध चाहिए तो इतना भर के वो दूध देते हैं। अगर हमको 500 ml मतलब आधा लीटर ही दूध चाहिए तो फिर इतना ही भरेंगे। अगर समझो हमको 200 ml ही चाहिए तो इतना ही भरेंगे, और समझो अगर 100 ml ही चाहिए तो इतना ही भर के देंगे, और समझो 50 ml चाहिए तो इतना ही भर के देंगे। तो ये स्टैंडर्ड कंटेनर्स है जिससे वो काउंट करके हमको जो भी हमको लेना है, दूध लेना है, ऑयल लेना है, वो काउंट करके हमको देते हैं। सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दिस measurements of capacity we have to solve exercise number 8.5.